What's going on, low budget family? As y'all can see and behind me, we got us a new build 2012 Electric Glide Classic. If you haven't already, subscribe to our page, like this video, share with your friends, and hit that notification button. Oh yeah. Give y'all a little tour of the new build. Like it says 2012. It's an Electric Glide. 32,000 miles on it. Not too bad. Right now it's stuck on the trailer because front wheel is all jammed up with the front fender. So we're gonna try to get that fender off so we can get the bike off the trailer. Got the seat and everything. Took the battery out because the battery was dead. Try to charge it up, so we're gonna have to order a new battery. Well, she cranked. Yeah, try to get it off, get that front wheel from being stuck so can get it off the trailer, because right now it's stuck on the trailer. New forks and stuff.
Guess what, baby?
Guess what? What?
You recording?
No, I'm just pointing the camera at you because I like you to be on camera.
Millie, rock with it, rock now.
Oh gosh. We're gonna try to get this front wheel off so we can get this off the trailer. Alright, we're gonna start by trying to take these calipers off. And I took the screws out already. Let's see if I can try to get it out from in between that fender and stuff, get it all jammed up out of there. Alright, we got both brake calipers off of the bike on both sides. Got the brake caliper off on that side. Try to get these caps off the end so we can loosen the front tire. And we're gonna jack it up. Meanwhile, my wife, she's here trying to get the stickers off. Anybody know any easy solution besides WD-40 to get some stickers off? Comment below, let us know. We would appreciate it. Alright, we got the bolt covers off. How you doing?
I'm doing good, man. Doing good. We can get it off this trailer.
We gonna get it off. We gonna get it off. Some of y'all know we are working out of our storage unit here, but now we getting ready to get our own shop put in the backyard. So we will be out of this storage unit, which will be a blessing. So I won't have to drive all the way down here. And we'll be right in the yard where I can go right out the back door and start working. I don't have to drive all the way down here and give somebody else my money. And then I can get my own shop put in the yard and start from out my yard. But as you can see, you don't have to have no big time shop. Start small, work your way up. Hey, we went from 1 unit. I think this is a 12 by 20 unit. And we leaving because it has a leak in the ceiling, so that's another reason why we getting ready to get up out of here. We moved most of the stuff out of here into our other unit until our shop is done. But let's get back to getting this together. Let me break that nut on this side and then put the jack up underneath it so I can lift that wheel up so I can get ready to take it off. We'll be right back. Whew. Finally got wheel off. And get that fender off. Get that fender off. Put the wheel back on temporarily so we can get it off the trailer. What you think, Catwoman? Say what you think, Catwoman?
I think you're doing an awesome job there.
Let me posing like that.
I found the method to my madness with the sticker.
Oh, you did? Let's see what she's talking about with her sticker.
I put a little WD-40 on it, and I'm using a plastic card, and the sticker just rolling right off. See? It just roll. That way you don't have to scratch the paint.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's proceed and get this fender off.
The other baby was here, then he found out she was possibly sleeping with the sugar daddy.
Sugar Daddy Chronicles. Taking these off, and we got this right off, people.
Of course he did, the sugar daddy. He didn't give her no sugar for free.
No sugar for free. What y'all think on YouTube? You getting sugar for free? Or you got a sugar daddy, sugar mama?
He ain't giving her no
We're gonna bring y'all back once we get this off. Oh yeah, we back. She done got most of that sticker off of there.
I still got like that.
Say what?
I still got a lot of residue, sticker residue on it.
What you gotta say to the people?
If you could find an easy way to take stickers off of,
Leave a comment below.
please do. Because it took me 50,000 years to get them.
Yeah, I got the fender off. These forks are shot. And now we can get the bike off the trailer and stuff, because this storage unit ends in 2 days, so gonna put it in our other storage unit. Our shop is on the way in our yard. This way we ain't gotta come all the way out here like I said before.
Yeah,
But
time.
fairing, front fairing, gotta replace that. Crack the light on it. Can't really see too much, but other than that, get a new battery and stuff. Doing some work, y'all. Low budget family.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe. We didn't forget about the R6. We still working on that one. Like I said, we just moved into a new house, so trying to get everything together there and get our shop up and ready over there. We're gonna finish the R6 content and then start grinding on this one also. But we appreciate all of y'all that subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button. And what else, baby?
If you ain't riding, you're hiding.
Right. We out. Peace.
Peace.